Hi there, this is Maggie from Rock Paper Copy, and this is a free audit of the website Sports Art Direct. I'm on a home page, and I can see that you're showing your product in a sliding banner, which is fantastic. I would add a longer intervals, longer breaks between each slide, so people have more time to see the detail, the item in full, to digest what each item represents. Also add short tagline to each image to show or to tell what you're selling, and also add call to action linking to each product or each collection, so you convert more visitors and allow them to click and shop. So you've got COVID-19 update that the orders are still shipped. So this is important. So people are more confident buying from you. So this is fantastic. I'm glad that you placed it in a top banner that is displayed on every part of the page, which is fantastic. You've got shop now, call to action in the banner with individual collections, which is great. Best selling, recently added custom prints, and contact us. So yeah, so far really good. Best-selling products, I would optimize this title to be more SEO friendly, such as best-selling canvas, best-selling art decor. So products is very generic, but if you made it more SEO friendly, it would be much better for your Google presence. Also consider displaying either 3 or 6 items. Okay, you've got them displayed, just they don't load that fast for some reason. But I can see that you're displaying 6 items or even more, which is great. Okay, perfect. Recently added products, the same thing. Make sure that the title is SEO friendly as well. So you've got reviews of the items as well, which is great. The uh, the footer navigation is here, which is fantastic. All the trust signals are here as well, which is really good. Your collection layout is really good, really clean. All the product images are cropped to square, so they display in line, which is fantastic. You can tell that it's either duplicate item or it shows duplicate. So make sure that the collections have unique images. I would say you've got too many collections. It feels a little bit overwhelming for people to choose which one to pick. So make sure to divide the products into fewer collections, to have, well, maximum 6 collections or 9 collections that you can display here, and then you can divide those collections into further sub collections, because if people find themselves on this page, they will feel very confused as to which item to click, especially that you don't have you don't have titles here, unless someone hovered over the items. So make sure that this page is more user friendly, because that's really important for conversion. Your product page looks great. You've got call to action above the fold. You've got SEO friendly product title, which is fantastic as well. Uh, you've got detailed product descriptions, which is fantastic as well. So that's really good. Okay, you've got free shipping worldwide, 1 business days in your package. You can just put next business day. If you are offering custom prints, also consider having this option clearly explained, where do people click to order custom print, link to this page, link to the page where people can can request custom print, because it feels a little bit too generic to just inform that you offer custom print without really directing people to the place where they can place this kind of order. Your shipping policy mentions free email address, so make sure to use professional email address. Also, shipping policy is mainly your returns policy, that is Shopify default policy that mentions items you're not selling, such as gift cards, CDs, DVDs. So this can definitely confuse your shoppers, which can confuse sales. So make sure that your returns policy has unique content. It is designed to protect your business, and also it's much better for SEO because unique content means you don't have any duplicate text on your website. Duplicate because dozens of other Shopify sites have the same policy, so obviously it works against your SEO. So make sure to add unique policy, define where do people return the items, and obviously customize it to your own situation, to your own niche, because as I mentioned, you offer customized products. However, you have to specify whether someone can return product that has been customized for them. If you don't include information in your returns policy, you're not protecting your business, because if someone returns the item, they have the right to request a refund, because you've got nowhere on your website mentioned you cannot accept returns of customized items. The About Us page mentions the shipping policy, so this is not the best place to include it. You've got professional email address here, so make sure to include it in your shipping page as well. About Us page is much better used to build rapport, to talk about yourself as a person, to talk about your team, talk about what inspired you to start this business. It is really, really great content, really great way um, to connect with your potential shoppers. So don't use this kind of generic info on this page, but use it to show your personality, use it to show who is behind the brand. People are really craving this kind of personal touch from online shops. It's a really great way to improve sales as well. Okay, contact us page is here. This is great. So you've got custom prints available here. Okay, so you've got it here. What you can do is link to this page from other elements or from other products where you mention that you offer custom prints, and because this is really great selling point. People might be more likely to order custom print than the sports print. Obviously depends on your target market, because this kind of custom banner um, could not appeal to someone who's looking for basketball hero print. Um, so make sure to redefine who is your target audience as well. Got custom prints here as well. Okay, so custom prints are linked from the top menu as well, so that's great. Custom prints. I would rename it. I'm not sure if custom prints really reflect, because prints means it's a selection of prints. You can include it as customize or print your own or something like that. It's much clearer to what you're offering. I hope you liked this critique. If you did, please leave a 5-star review on my Trustpilot profile. The link is in the email. Thank you so much for your time, and if you've got any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'd be happy to answer any questions you might have. It was Maggie from Rock Paper Copy. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.